Welcome to the Biomedix video submission series. This is video number 4 in our special de novo series, focusing on FDA pathways for first-of-a-kind medical devices. Innovation starts with discovery, and every breakthrough brings new regulatory challenges. Our instructor will guide you through what you need to know to navigate the de novo process with confidence. Please note, this video is for educational purposes only. For regulatory decisions, always consult directly with the FDA.
Welcome back to our de novo series. In Part 4, we're walking through the FDA's de novo review process. It begins with an acceptance review. The FDA checks your submission to ensure completeness. This typically takes up to 15 calendar days, though this timeframe can vary. If critical information is missing, you'll receive a refuse to accept or RTA notice. You are granted 180 days to address the issues and resubmit. Upon acceptance, your submission will proceed to substantive review. Here, the FDA evaluates whether your device is safe and effective, and whether general or special controls can ensure that safety and effectiveness. During this phase, the FDA may issue an additional information letter or AI letter. This outlines questions or concerns that need to be resolved before the review can proceed. You have 180 days to respond. This pause is an ideal time to assemble your team and engage external experts. Here are a few key steps to take. Conduct a thorough review of the AI letter as a team. Develop a comprehensive response strategy. Consult with technical and clinical experts to align on your approach. And assign writing and testing tasks early to maintain your schedule. Involve engineering, clinical, quality experts, and FDA consultants for both RTA and AI responses. They can assist in interpreting the FDA's feedback, minimizing errors, and drafting responses. Well-prepared answers help prevent delays and reduce the risk of another additional information cycle, or even a denial. The FDA aims to complete its review within 150 days, excluding any time the review is on hold. If needed, you can also request meetings with the FDA, especially for complex inquiries. If your de novo is denied, you have options. A formal appeals process exists, and guidance is available on the FDA website. Consult with your regulatory or legal team if this situation arises. Understanding each stage and collaborating closely with your team and advisors can significantly streamline the de novo process. In our upcoming video, we will examine the post-de novo classification phase, focusing on labeling, marketing, and post-market activities.